Control number 41983, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Diana Grace Gante, 37 years old, married. I have 3 sisters. I'm the third in the family. And I have one daughter, 17 years old.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a college undergraduate taking Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Arroyo University.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
Because I want to help my family in their needs and I want to help save and earn money for the future and education of my daughter.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, ma'am, in Hong Kong for 1 month and here in the Philippines as a helper for 5 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for babies?
Give bath, feeding, play with them, and changing diapers.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking, baking, tutoring, and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
In Chinese food, stir-fried vegetables and steamed fish. In Filipino food, adobo and menudo. Italian food, carbonara and spaghetti.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I'm honest, responsible, trustworthy, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for a future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Sir, Madam, if you will choose me as your helper, I promise to do my duties and responsibility very well, and I promise to finish my contract 2 years or more. Thank you and God bless.